Dr. Vipul Kumar, IPS, Bachelor of Technology in Petroleum Engineering, 1993. Dr. Vipul Kumar is a distinguished officer of the Indian Police Service belonging to 1999 batch. Hailing from a remote village in Bihar and an alumnus of IIT ISM Dhanbad, he holds BTech and MTech degrees in Petroleum Engineering and PhD in Criminology from Charles Sturt University, Australia. A recipient of the prestigious Sword of Honour and several laurels during his training and after, Dr. Kumar has served with distinction in a wide range of leadership roles, including Superintendent of Police in sensitive districts, Commissioner of Police, and Inspector General of Police in Karnataka. Currently, he serves as Inspector General in the Central Reserve Police Force, the largest central armed police force of the nation. He is widely respected for his effective handling of complex law and order challenges, successful community-centric policing in extremism-affected areas, conflict mitigation, peaceful conduct of elections, and strong commitment to police welfare, training, and public service. His leadership during the COVID-19 pandemic and his role in strengthening police training institutions reflect his dedication to institutional excellence. A recipient of the President's Medal for Distinguished Service and the Indian Police Medal for Meritorious Service, Dr. Kumar continues to exemplify integrity, courage, and service to society. In recognition of his outstanding contribution to society, the Indian Institute of Technology, Indian School of Mines, Dhanbad, is privileged to confer upon Dr. Vipul Kumar the Director's Award for Service to the Society 2025.
Chairperson of the board, Director of the Institute, Prasad sir, my dear friend Rajiv Bhattacharya sir, Veera Sahab, all the senior alumni, my batchmates, junior junior students right now who are there, and junior alumni, and family members. आप सबों को मेरा हार्दिक नमस्कार. Certainly this kind of recognition coming from your alma mater is highly emotional. काफी भावुकता लाता है साथ में ये. Any other recognition, maybe the professional achievements that you have in your life is something different, but standing here and getting a recognition from your alma mater is like mother saying to the son, "Beta, tumne acha kiya hai." Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Few words were told about me, but then I would like to say, sir, I started with your company my career as a petroleum engineer, and then I worked also in ONGC for quite some time, and then my destiny took me to some other path, which I have enjoyed every bit of it till date. And in that course, whatever good could have been done from my side, I have tried to do that. I have tried to stand to the values what ISM has taught to all of us by teachers like though Banerjee said, didn't teach me personally in petroleum, but then yes, we have all been seeing teachers like him, Mr. B.P. Pandey and all. And they all have been such a good mentors. Certainly, we have got lots of gratitudes apart from our institute, the teachers and all. My parents were very happy when I joined ISM, because coming from a village, getting to an institute of prominence, I'm sure they also must be very happy up there. Similarly, I must say lots of thanks to my batch, the batch of 93. We all are stuck together. And till date, we enjoy and have so much of fun. All the faculty, past, present, future, all the students, past, present, and future, somehow we all are connected in one or the other way. And that brings the beauty to this relationship of being an ISM. ISM is certainly very different from many other institutes. 100 years are through, another 100 years. I can only say, adding to what the chairperson sir has told, next 100 years, why to wait? Maybe another 10 years, another 20 years. Why not? IIT ISM becomes the topmost IIT in this country. There can always be a determination that yes, we must achieve it with all brains together. It's doable, and let's wish for that. Before I leave this podium, थोड़ी छोटी सी एक शायरी कहने का दिल कर रहा है, आप लोग बुरा ना मानेंगे तो मैं शेयर करूं। आइसम के नाम है, तेरी चौखट से जब हम कुछ इल्म और हुनर लेकर निकले थे, तेरी चौखट से जब हम कुछ इल्म और हुनर लेकर निकले, इस जमाने की रफ्तार में खुद को तपाने के लिए निकले, हम सभी लोग इस जमाने की रफ्तार में खुद को तपाने के लिए निकले। आज जब अरसों बाद मुड़कर वापस तेरी दहलीज पे आए, अरसों बाद जब मुड़कर आज वापस तेरी दहलीज पे आए, हमारी नम आंखों से तेरे नाम का आबे शुक्रिया बह निकले, आबे शुक्रिया शुक्रिया का पानी आंखों से निकल पड़ा। थैंक यू वेरी मच।